Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO V60E, and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the option Sounds and Vibration. Then let's scroll down again and localize this section with phone ringtone and tap on it. And as you can see, we've been transferred to the list of pre-installed ringtones from which we can choose. At the top of the list, we've got the option No Ringtone right here, which means that after choosing it, your device will not use any kind of sound to notify you about the incoming call. Or we've got Custom Ringtone, which means that we can enter our own files. So if you've got something, for example, downloaded or recorded, it should appear right there and you will be able to set it as your ringtone. So let me choose something from the system ringtones. Because I do not have my custom one. So if you wish to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, you have to simply tap on it. So let me do something like that. And now you can... It's a little bit too loud. So basically, this is how you can check all of them. You can also change the vibration effect if you wish, but we do not have a lot of customization here, standard or no vibration at all. Yeah, and basically this is how it works. So let's pretend I would like to set the rhythm as my phone ringtone. So just tap on it, make sure that it is marked and go back. And as you can see, it is notified right here, which means that from now on our device will use the chosen ringtone to notify us about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.